Alright, what's going on, everybody? Out here with a 56 Triumph TR3. This is day one of the resto. Do a frame up. As you can see, a ton of work to do. 26K original miles. Engine doesn't look like it's in bad shape. Body is another problem, so. Start taking this thing down and I'll get back with you guys. All right, I have a little update. Got the front apron off. It was a little bit of a struggle. The bottom two backsides on the front apron were rusted out, so the bolt was just spinning. Happened on bottom on both sides. Got it out. Doesn't look too bad. Just mostly surface rust. I think there's one hole right there. That's about it though. Just got the trunk lid off, spare tire cover, fender grill, front apron. I'm just gonna keep tearing down. Probably gonna do the radiator next, and I think I've came to the decision that I'm probably gonna need a full new body. I mean, every body part I've pulled off for the most part, besides the front apron, is pretty destroyed. I mean, it's your battery tray. You can see there. It's like just keeps getting worse, but it's all right. We're gonna make it happen. So I'll catch you guys with the next update. All right, so this is where I'm ending the day. Got the front off, the front apron, got the radiator out. Engine doesn't look too bad. Body is looking pretty bad. I'm on the hunt for a full body. Have a couple leads. I'm gonna get there soon, hopefully, and find one. So yeah, that's where I'm leaving off for now. I have most of the front fenders unbolted. Just got about 2 bolts on each side and take those off. And now I'm gonna start making a plan to get the engine and tranny out. Those will be the first things that get looked over, rebuilt. And then from there, and get the body off and start working on the frame. I'll see you guys in the next video.